What the frick?
Come here. What are you doing?
Oh
Stop.
my
Sit.
word.
Sit. Yes. Chipotle. We're new to this vlog game, but can we bring the camera into the establishment?
No,
How you know?
because I see all the people on their vlog channels talking about how they got kicked out.
Oh, who cares?
Bro, I'm trying to eat my burrito. I'm not trying to get kicked out. Well, honestly, if I get kicked out, that shit is going to go.
Yeah, it's gonna be on viral. Yeah. I can't believe they kicked me out.
We get.
It's not much, but I got him, my doggy, an early Christmas present. Nice little collar, you know. You got a little all spiffy, you know what I'm saying, for Christmas time. I don't want him to be this a Christmas present, then he'll miss the holidays, you know, having it on. So, yeah. Stay. No, stay. 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 Oh, smile. Show me a smile.
So handsome.
Oh, so handsome.
So handsome.
Sit. Ah, you're getting inside. Sit. Stay. Stay. You're out of control. Sit.
Holy crap.
What are you doing?
I've never seen
You're
this.
embarrassing me. Come here. Sit. Stay.
I think he likes it.
Stay. 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 I said, no. Sit. Sit. Stay. Stay.
This is our dysfunctional ass dog.
Stay. Alright, come around and look at his thing. Sit.